Do you know that the secret to your energy, mood, immune system, and even your weight is hiding in your gut? Yes, your gut health is silently shaping your entire well-being, and chances are it may be damaged right now without you even realizing it. Have you been feeling bloated, tired, craving sugar like crazy, or struggling to focus? These may seem random, but they're actually silent cries from your gut asking for help. In today's video on Doc Nature TV, we'll uncover 7 shocking signs of gut damage that you're probably ignoring, and more importantly, how to fix them naturally without drugs or expensive supplements. So stay tuned till the end, because this might be the missing piece to your health puzzle. 1. Constant bloating after meals. Do you feel like your stomach is fighting a war after eating, even when the meal seems healthy? Bloating is one of the clearest signs that your gut microbiome is imbalanced. When bad bacteria dominate, digestion slows, and fermentation causes gas. To fix this, start adding fermented foods like yogurt or kefir to your meals. They bring in friendly bacteria that improve digestion. 2. Frequent sugar cravings. If you're constantly reaching for sweets or snacks, it might not be your lack of discipline. It could be your bad gut bacteria manipulating your brain. These microbes feed on sugar and trick your body into craving more. Natural fix: cut down on refined sugar and increase your fiber intake to feed good bacteria instead. 3. Low energy and fatigue. Your gut plays a huge role in nutrient absorption. If it's damaged, you won't absorb vitamins, iron, or magnesium well, leading to persistent tiredness, even after sleep. Eat whole, unprocessed foods rich in micronutrients and include gut-healing foods like bone broth and leafy greens. 4. Brain fog and mood swings. Ever feel like your head is in the clouds or you're emotionally off balance? That's your gut-brain connection at work. Nearly 90% of serotonin, your happy chemical, is made in the gut. An unhealthy gut equals unstable mood. Include prebiotic foods like garlic, bananas, and oats to support serotonin production naturally. 5. Skin issues like acne or eczema. Your skin reflects your internal health. When the gut lining is damaged, leaky gut, toxins enter the bloodstream and trigger skin inflammation. Natural fix: eliminate processed foods and focus on anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, ginger, and berries. 6. Weak immunity. Did you know that 70% of your immune cells live in your gut? If you catch colds easily, feel sluggish, or experience frequent infections, your gut might be crying for help. Natural fix: strengthen your gut with fermented foods, natural probiotics, and immune-boosting herbs like astragalus and echinacea. 7. Digestive issues like constipation or diarrhea. Regular bowel movements are one of the best indicators of gut health. If your stool is irregular or uncomfortable, that's a warning signal. Natural fix: hydrate well, increase fiber, and try intermittent fasting to give your gut time to rest and repair. Let's look at more natural things you should be doing to help your gut healing. Eat more plants. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of fiber daily from fruits, veggies, and legumes. Avoid processed junk. Sugar, fried foods, and artificial sweeteners are gut enemies. Practice deep breathing or meditation. Chronic stress is poison to your microbiome. Drink more water. Your digestive system needs it to function smoothly. Sleep well. Healing happens when you rest, especially your gut lining. Your gut isn't just about digestion. It's the command center of your health. If you've noticed any of these 7 signs, don't ignore them. Healing starts with small, consistent steps. Start with one gut-friendly habit today and build from there. Let us know in the comments, which tip will you try first? If this helped you, give this video a like, subscribe to Doc Nature TV, and share it with someone who needs a gut check. Until next time, remember, heal your gut, heal your life.